Hey guys, it's your girl and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be on me trying to transform this into this. So I'm gonna walk y'all through the steps on how I get to make this marble frame. So if you want to see how I get it, then just keep on watching. Be changing this and this and this to rose gold. So this is my rose gold spray that I got. So I'm gonna spray it up and I'll be back. I'm gonna show you how the process when I'm spraying it up. So it can be rose gold. So this is gonna be marble with rose gold. So let's get to it. Also, let me show you guys what I did with the other belongings. So made this, this, and this. So now I'm just gonna fix this up. I'm trying to order some marble curtains, shower curtains, and yeah, so I can finish this up, and then probably some marble flooring here. So yes, my bathroom's not done yet, but it's getting to it. It's getting to the process. Little by little, I'm putting it together. But yeah, I hope you guys like this thing. This is a very easy DIY that I did. And yeah, until my next video, I see you later. Bye guys. Sorry guys, I was actually rushing, but I didn't put the glass part on it. So we're gonna do that now. See what you can do with Dollar Tree picture frames. This job was like literally like less than I can say less than $5. No, I can say this is like less than $10 for this, and then you still got more paper to do something else if I wanted to. Let me know what else DIYs you want to see from me. And yes, my amazing frame. Can't wait to hang them up. But I love you guys. Bye guys.